Hey guys, what's up? Daniel here. Today we're unboxing the new iPhone 6s. Now we got the space gray, the gold, the rose gold, and the silver right here. And of course we got the boxes right here. The side right here says iPhone 6s with that S logo that we also get on the back of the phone. And each box is kind of tinted to the color that it represents. So this is gold right here, and then we got the rose gold side, and then silver on here. But yeah, this is the new iPhone 6s, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox all the colors here so that you guys can see all the colors in all the boxes in one video. So let's go ahead and open these up and we'll check them out. Alright, so here we go. We got them all opened up. Of course, we got the space gray, we got the gold color, we got the new rose gold color, which as I mentioned in the 6 Plus unboxing, it's more of a pink, slightly darker pink than you'd see here. It's a lot darker than I thought it would be. And of course we got the silver right here. Of course in the box we got the normal accessories that we get. We got the headphones, the USB to lightning, and then the AC adapter. And there's nothing else special that's in the box. Alright, so now let's go ahead here and remove the plastic film because that creates a weird glare in the video. Alright, so here we got all the colors all set up and ready, so you can see, kind of get an idea of how they look. Of course, these three right here have the white fronts, and this one has the black front. You can see the Touch ID buttons are colored to each specific one, and you might not be able to see. We'll check it out more in detail in the color comparison, but each one has their own specific color. So here we have a rose gold ring, silver ring, gold ring, and this one doesn't really have a ring. But if we turn them around, we can see the actual colors and how they look. Of course, this one has white antenna lines, and so does this one too. And then this one has the silver or kind of darkish gray, almost gray antenna lines, so they're not completely white. And that's how they look. Of course, we got the little S logo right there, and that's what's going to differentiate them from the old one. And we got the True Tone flash. This has a 12 megapixel camera, 5K recording. The space gray is a little bit darker to last year's, in case you're wondering. So is the gold, and this one's pretty much the exact same thing. And then of course we got the new rose gold color. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Aside from that, I'll catch you guys